Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace 2021 Dodge Challenger headlight bulb, only way. First, park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and remove the negative battery terminal to cut power. Open the hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. Keep the new bulb in its package until ready to avoid oil contamination. Work in good light and take your time to avoid breaking clips or wiring connectors. Now we move to getting clear access to the headlight back. Remove any obstructing components like the air intake cover or battery hold-down using basic hand tools. Carefully unclip plastic covers and retaining tabs so you can reach the bulb socket. Place all fasteners in a container so nothing disappears. If a clip feels stuck, gently lever it instead of forcing, which prevents broken parts and saves time during reassembly. With access ready, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise and pull it out to expose the bulb. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing the latch and sliding it free. Remove the old bulb, avoid touching glass, and insert the new bulb by its plastic base, seating it securely before twisting the socket back clockwise. Reconnect the battery, test the light, and reassemble components in reverse order to finish the job cleanly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.